So for this video, you will need about 2 packs of some pre-stretched braiding hair. I have actually got too many. I got like 3 packs of them. 1 pack of the 27 colored hair I got, and then just 1 pack of the color 30 hair that I have. And I actually got like way too much hair, and by 1 pack I mean 1 pack has 3 bundles in it, as you can see. You will also need some edge control. I love the Ebin 24-hour edge control. Some combs, of course, to do your parts so that they are symmetric. Edge brush to get those edges together, you already know. I have some mousse. After I did my braids, I put mousse on them so that they lay flat and I don't have flyaways and stuff like that. Some clips to hold my hair together because it was a mess. Some ponytail holders as well to hold my hair together, to separate it or whatever. And I have some Jamaican black castor oil for my scalp. Okay, let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So
I gotta be a little quiet, but...
So, right now, I'm doing knotless braids. And I said, I'm gonna do a video on it and, you know, record the whole process. But I got started and I realized I didn't really know what I was doing. So, now that I did like half of my head, I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing them. So I got this. This is a brand, it's called Braid Babe. I've never used this hair before, but the beauty supply I went to didn't have any hair like long. This was the only hair that was like long enough, because I wanted them to be like long. I want them to be like to my butt, and they are. So this was like the longest hair. So I was like, whatever, like it's still braiding hair. Never heard of this brand, but it's pretty good hair. It's really thick too. I got 3 of these in 1B, 127 and 130. And I really feel like I'm only going to use like half of another one because they are so full, and 3 comes in 1. I have so much braiding hair left. Like, somebody needs to come get their hair done because this is a lot of hair. I feel like my camera is like lopsided. And like I'm scared. Okay, I think that's straight. Hopefully y'all can see my progress so far. So is that good? A little bit more. I could use some chapstick, but you know. So
This what we gonna do.
So I'm doing them super small. I wanted them to be super cute and tiny. So I'm just gonna make a part. At that part, I'll make it a little bit more straight. I started my hair at 5:30. I had to look at my call log to see, because that's when I was on the phone when I started. And I started my hair at 5:30. And it's 11:24. I did not know it was 11:30 at night. I'm gonna be doing this till like 3. It's okay, I stay up till 3 anyway. But, okay, let me stop talking. I want this to be a little bit more personal though, because my last braid video was just a voiceover, which people probably like that better. But I want this to be a little bit more personal because it's my first time doing it. If I was doing it on somebody else, it'll be a little bit more planned out. But I kind of still don't really know what I'm doing. Put some edge control around the perimeter. And I got this new cute little edge brush that's been really helping me since my boxes are so small. I think I'm going to do some triangles. Like, what if I do like boxes and triangles? I think I'm going to do triangles like in the centerpiece. That would be cute. So I'm going to start a braid. And it's hard for me to explain how I braid, so I'm not going to, but I really want y'all to pay attention. I'm going to try and show like 4 braids, 2 on each side, so y'all can see how I'm doing it. Okay, I'm not going to explain this, but like just please really watch. So I really hope y'all can see. I'm going to turn a little bit. So I braided down like 3 times. We're going to get our first piece of hair. And I'm just going to literally, where these 2 fingers are that I'm moving, I'm going to put the hair in the middle of those 2 fingers. You see? It's just in between those, where those 2 fingers were. And now you're going to attach it to that piece of hair that you were holding and start a braid. And you, as you can see, I still have this piece left that doesn't have any braiding hair. So what I do is I keep going until I get this piece that's by itself back in the middle. So I'm going to keep going, keep going. Now, that piece that's alone is back in the middle. Now, you don't have to do it like that, but that's just how I'm telling myself when to add the second piece of hair. And I noticed some people use like 3 and 4 pieces of hair. I think 2 pieces is perfect for me because I'm doing them so small. So now I'm going to put another piece of hair in between where those 2 fingers are again, but I'm going to attach it to this piece in the middle that doesn't have any braiding hair. I hope this makes sense. And now I'm just going to keep going down. So this one looks really, really, really good. I might have to stand up on some of these parts. If this video is crazy, I'm sorry, but I barely know what I'm doing and I really wanted to make a video. This one looks really good. Okay. And with the colored hair, I'll put a little edge control on my fingers and braid with the edge control on my fingers so that my hair can flatten out. It is currently the next day. It's 4:36 p.m. So I have so little left, but it's so much. As you guys can see, it looks really good. It's not dipped or anything. The last clip should have been me showing y'all that it was 3 o'clock in the morning and your girl was falling asleep and I couldn't do it no more. So I'm saving some in the front to show you guys how to do them again in the front, and I'm gonna come a little closer. This part is going to be sped up. I just want you guys to see like my process, how I'm doing it in the back and stuff like that. I hope I finish by like 6. Maybe before. Okay. 1, 2, and I'm going to show you again how I am doing them. I'm going to try and come a little closer. Oh my goodness, it's hair everywhere. It's like, it's so bad over here. Okay. So I have like my medium piece of hair already ready that I'm going to put into 2. So, actually let me put it into 2 now, sorry. Because I just want to be able to attach it when I am ready. Got my 3 pieces. Start a braid and kind of make it tight. I mean, if you want these to last, you don't want to do them too loose. Just start braiding normally. Now, I keep my thumb and my pointer finger on this middle piece of my hair, and I use my other hand to grab a piece of the braiding hair. And now I'm just going to attach it. I'm going to grab it with my middle finger and attach it. Use my pointer finger and my thumb to grab this other piece over here, because this piece of braiding hair is going to attach to this piece of my hair. Hold it down and literally just start braiding normally once the piece is attached to both. And now, these are 3 pieces. These 2 pieces of my hair have braiding hair attached, but this one does not. So once I get this one to the middle, like so, actually I'm going to go down a little more. Once I get this one back in the middle alone, you see this piece of hair does not have braiding hair attached. I'm going to take my second piece of hair, and sorry, it's a little messy. It's just so much hair attached to hair. And okay, I'm going to take my second piece of braiding hair and attach that the same way, using my other hand, my pointing finger and my thumb, pinching down the braiding hair to the piece of hair that didn't have any braiding hair, and literally starting a braid. And now I'm just going to braid down. So now, one of the pieces of my hair has a really thick piece of braiding hair because I added 2 pieces of braiding hair. So once I get that really thick one to the middle, I'm going to take some hair from it so that all 3 pieces are even and one isn't bigger than the rest. So I'm just taking a little piece of hair from the thick one. And now all of them are kind of the same width. Thank God I'm almost done. One, 2, 3. Actually, I'm going to make this middle one a little bigger. 3 pieces. Start a normal braid. I'm going to come a little closer. Braid down like 3 times. Put the braiding hair in between these 2 that I'm pinching. So this is my pointer finger and my thumb. And attach it to that middle piece. Now, start a braid. As you can see, 2 pieces of my hair has braiding hair. This one and this one. This middle one does not. So I'm going to take my second piece and attach it the same way with my pointer finger and my thumb, and place it in the middle and just start a braid. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of my braids. I wanted to get cute for the outro because y'all deserve it. Y'all deserve Janiyah in her prime with her knotless braids. Can't tell me nothing. Okay, period. Period. Let them know. No, I'm just playing. But oh my god, I'm so happy I'm done. Took me 2 days basically, and I hope you guys, you know, learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video for more how-to type of videos with hair, makeup, whatever you guys want. Make sure you comment if you like my hair. Comment purple and blue hearts because that is my makeup look today. And make sure you subscribe, share this video with everyone you know so they can learn how to do their own knotless braids, okay? We don't gotta go to the shop and pay all that money when you can do it yourself, okay? Y'all, I'm feeling myself, but okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!